Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Your favorite sneaker influencers are trying to convince you that this sneaker is trash. I gotta agree to disagree. Alright, y'all, so from the thumbnail of this video, y'all already know what the sneaker is. So I'm just gonna crack right into it. But I want to talk about these a little bit, man. Obviously, I haven't opened this box. I haven't seen them in hand, anything like that. All I've seen is pictures, videos, because I'm a little late to the party. I got these the other day and I just didn't review them yet. But I think they're dope. What I think the biggest issue is that we have in the sneaker community is, I'm not saying that some people don't legitimately not like the sneaker. It's completely possible. There's probably a lot of sneakers in my collection and your collection that I don't like, that you may not like, and that's fine. But what I don't like, and I always see, is if the hype wasn't built up long enough on a sneaker, if the biggest YouTubers or people in the community don't like it, then by golly, I don't like it either. It can't work that way. Oh, I don't open it upside down. It can't work that way. Well, at least it shouldn't work that way. And when I seen it, I liked it. It's different. Got your Nike one, your Jordan 1 box. Size label reads Air Jordan 1 High OG Defiant. Black, gem red, and muslin. Size 10.5. Now, my biggest issue is, like I said, you have to have your own mind. You have to have your own original thoughts on what you like and what you don't like. If you just go off what everybody else says, then your collection is gonna look like everybody else's. I got another sneaker right here that I don't know if anybody on sneaker YouTube has. But that's just, I'll open that tomorrow. And we'll get to that at a later time. But with these, I thought they were dope, but I haven't seen them in person. Granted that. And I'm not disappointed. I'll just pull out one because both are the same. And I'll point out what I like and what I don't like about the sneaker. From in hand. Everybody's talking and complaining about, hopefully my camera picks these up, since it is like a glossier type leather. But I think they're dope. I think these are super, super clean. And the only thing that I don't like about it, I actually like the smooth leather. Every Jordan 1 doesn't have to look the same. They don't all have to have tumble leather. They don't all have to have this new hyper crimson and turbo green leather. Like, this looks like an older style Jordan to me. And obviously they went, because it's called Couture, they're going for a more luxury type look. I don't know if the materials is actually any more luxurious than, than some designer sneaker or anything like that. But the only thing that I don't like about this red stripe is that I feel like, since it was painted by hand, if you don't know, this is hand painted. That's why everybody's is a little bit different. Some goes through the Wings logo a little higher, a little lower on both sides. It was just taped down and painted, like a custom sneaker would be. And that's cool. I'm cool with that. But what I would like it to be is more like, maybe it looked like it was spray painted on. If it was going to be all weird and cover different things anyway, just make everybody's different. And the crazy thing about it is, what I think is weird, so many people like those Nigel Sylvester Jordan 1s, which I'm a big, obviously y'all know I'm a big Jordan 1 fan. I don't like those. I think they're trash. I don't like the look of the fake scuffs and the brown. Like, I don't think that looks good. But they hate these. My thing is, I believe that there wasn't enough time to hype it up. Nigel Sylvester had commercials and all of this different type of stuff. A huge rollout on the sneaker. People fell in love for it. Resale still high. These you can probably get at retail or below. Not saying that people don't legitimately not like it. I understand that. But when I see on feet videos of these, and the pictures of them, they look better laced up than they do unlaced, honestly. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leather it out even more. I'm gonna get leather laces, probably some gold aglets, whatever it's called, lace tips, and throw those in there. And it's gonna be fire. And alright, so let's go through the sneaker a little bit. I'm ranting and raving about it, why I like it and why you should like it too. I'm not here to convince you to like the sneaker if you don't like it. But, so you got your all black, obviously, toe box, this a little bit stiffer leather, and you got your red stripe that surrounds the whole lateral and medial side and around the ankle collar in the back. You got your all leather tongue, also with a leather Nike Air tab at the top of the tongue in red. Sail bottoms, sail outsole. You got your all red insole with black Nike Air at the bottom. And what people, I don't think this is a satin. I heard people saying this is like a satin type material, but muslin is a material. I don't think muslin is a color. So maybe this sock liner is muslin because it does come in different colors. Muslin isn't this. This is sail, I believe. I could be wrong, but I'm thinking it might be the material. I'm not sure because I know muslin is a material. So at the end of the day, I just had to unbox these on the channel, man. I know y'all seen a million videos of these already. You've already made up your mind if you like them or not, but I like them. If you know how to dress, you know how to finesse your outfits, these are gonna look great with any outfit if you dress it up a little bit. Every sneaker don't have to look like, you know what I'm saying, you just walking through the mall. Sometimes you can dress up your Jordan a little bit. That's how they made the Concord 11, stuff like that. Maybe, you know what I'm saying, dress it up a little bit. And that's what this is. I don't like the price hike, but you know, if you like it, buy it. Before I go, I'm gonna open one more thing on the channel since it did come in today. Stick around, see what's in this pack. All right, y'all, so it's hype beast time. Let's crack into this. Before I even tell y'all what it is, because I ain't gonna put it in the thumbnail probably. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. All right. And it is Supreme time again. Now, before I get into this, I'm 3 for 3 on Supreme. I've done all my mobile. I don't do any on the computer or anything like that. My laptop is way too slow to be doing all that anyway. It's super old. But I'm 3 for 3. I had a t-shirt last season and this bear last season. Kind of got that on accident if you watch that old video. And then week 1 of this season, you know, I figured why not? Let's try to get a t-shirt. That's all I wanted. I'm not the biggest Supreme guy, you know, it's not me, but I bought this because I thought that it might go with something, and we're gonna see in a second if it actually matches or not. Okay, week 1, size medium. I'm just gonna crack into this because this is for me. And I got the light blue creeper tee. It's my first time seeing it in person. Got your all light blue upper. You got this crazy Dr. Kevorkian guy right here holding a skeleton upside down with the Supreme bandana goggle strap. And I got this to see if it would go with these. And it does not. It's completely different colors. The only place it would match is on the skeleton's legs. It is in this color. I don't know if it's actually picking that up on camera. Got the turbo greens. And if you look on the skeleton's legs, it's like that turbo green color. But I don't know if that is close enough to actually throw the shirt on with those. I'll find something to wear with them. But this is for the personal. So I'll be wearing this at some point. You probably see it in the video. Unless somebody throw me the right price. Everything's for sale. But for right now, it's for the personal. I think it's super dope. Not the biggest hype beast in the world. Not the biggest Supreme guy. All that shit is overpriced. But $38 t-shirt. I figure why not? Try your luck. So now I am done with the video. What do y'all, hold on, before, how would y'all see? Oh shit, there's other stuff in here. But how would y'all, what if this was like this? What if these had Supreme going down the stripe? I guarantee you, you wouldn't be able to hold these. Man, I'm not even gonna get into it. Y'all are ridiculous. All right, so we got a couple stickers. Look like we got a Supreme box logo, and we have a Grill Supreme sticker that I will be giving this stuff away. Y'all know I don't hold on to these stickers. So at some other point, you know, matter of fact, you know what? We're gonna say it right now. If you comment down below, Supreme box logo, if you made it this far in the video, Supreme box logo, the first person that I see this comment Supreme box logo sticker in the comments down below, if you actually want it, if you comment Supreme box logo down below, or you comment Supreme Grill sticker, whatever, goes out to you. You only can comment once. Comment box logo, comment grill. First person gets that says grill, first person says box logo, shipping them out to you. Just like that. There's another box in here. Shower cap. What am I supposed to do with this? Oh yeah, there we go. OV!